Yo, what is up guys? Welcome to this video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can switch your Instagram account to a business account. So the first thing you need to do is make sure your Instagram account isn't private. So to do that, you tap on the three lines at the top right of your Instagram profile, and then you go to settings at the bottom. Then what you want to do is tap on privacy, and then you want to go to account privacy in the middle of the screen. And as you can see, my account is private, so I'm going to switch that off and I'll change that. And then you want to go back into your settings, and then you want to tap on account, and then you want to tap on at the bottom switch to professional account. So I'm going to do that, and then what you want to do is select business, and it's going to take you through the process. You just hit continue, 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 continue. And then for my category, I'm just going to select personal blog because it's a personal account. I click on next, and then you can review your contact information. So I'm just going to tap on next, and then you can connect it to a Facebook account. And I don't want to do that because I'm not going to be running any ads on this account. So I'm going to choose don't connect to Facebook now at the bottom. And that is how you switch your Instagram account to a business account. So guys, I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, smash that like button and consider subscribing because I'm uploading how-to videos about technology and social media every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Peace guys.